Old school mechanics back in the day knew tricks that modern shops have completely forgotten. Vaseline, originally called petroleum jelly, was a staple in every working garage in 1968. It protected, lubricated, and sealed components that would now cost hundreds of dollars to replace today. Here are 7 amazing Vaseline tricks from classic garages that still save modern drivers serious money. Battery terminal protection. Terminals corrode from acid gases that leak out of the lead-acid battery. Their job is to maintain solid electrical contact between the battery and the vehicle. When white or green corrosion builds up, the connection weakens and the car may not start. Vaseline forms a barrier that blocks acid vapors from reaching the metal terminals. Mechanics in 1968 used it on every car after a battery service. How to apply it. Clean the battery terminals with baking soda and water first. Dry them thoroughly with a clean rag. Reinstall the battery cables and tighten the clamps firmly. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline over the entire terminal and clamp surface. The Vaseline melts onto the metal and seals out moisture and acid. Reapply once a year for ongoing protection. Rubber door seal conditioning. Rubber door seals dry out and crack from sun and weather exposure. Their job is to keep wind, water, and noise out of the cabin. When the rubber dries out, doors leak air at highway speed and water enters during rain. Vaseline conditions rubber and restores flexibility. The trick has been used by classic car restorers for decades. How to apply it. Clean each door seal with mild soap and water. Dry thoroughly with a clean cloth. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline along the entire seal using your fingertip. Wipe off any excess to prevent staining. Open and close the door several times to spread the Vaseline evenly. Reapply twice a year for best results. Window track lubrication. Window tracks become stiff over time from dirt and lost lubrication. Their job is to allow the window to slide up and down smoothly. When the tracks get sticky, window motors strain and burn out early. Vaseline lubricates the rubber and felt tracks without attracting dust like grease would. This trick prolongs window motor life significantly. How to apply it. Lower the window all the way down. Wipe the visible track surface clean with a microfiber cloth. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline using a small brush or your finger. Raise and lower the window several times to spread it. The window now moves more smoothly and the motor runs cooler. Reapply once a year as needed. Squeaky hinge silencer. Door and trunk hinges develop squeaks from dry metal-on-metal contact. Their job is to allow smooth opening and closing across thousands of cycles. When the lubricant wears off, the squeak becomes a major annoyance. WD-40 dries out quickly and the squeak returns. Vaseline coats the hinge pin and lasts much longer because it does not evaporate the way thin oils do. How to apply it. Open the door fully and locate the hinge pin. Wipe the area clean with a rag. Apply a small amount of Vaseline directly to the hinge pin using your fingertip. Open and close the door multiple times to spread it. The squeak disappears immediately. Reapply once or twice a year depending on use. Brake caliper slide pin lubrication. Brake caliper slide pins allow the caliper to move smoothly as brake pads wear. Their job is to maintain even pad contact with the rotor on every brake application. When pins get dry or rusty, the caliper sticks and brake pads wear unevenly. Vaseline mixed with high-temperature grease prevents corrosion better than grease alone. Old mechanics use this combination on classic car brake jobs. How to apply it. Remove the brake caliper and clean both slide pins with brake cleaner. Wipe them dry with a clean rag. Mix 1 part Vaseline with 1 part high-temperature brake grease. Apply the mixture to each pin before reinstalling. The Vaseline keeps the grease in place and prevents rust formation during the brake's heat cycles. Light bulb socket anti-corrosion. Bulb sockets in headlights, taillights, and turn signals corrode from heat cycling and moisture. Their job is to maintain solid electrical contact for every bulb. When the brass contacts inside the socket corrode, lights flicker or stop working. Vaseline on the bulb base before installation prevents corrosion completely. Old garages use this trick on every bulb replacement to save the customer future labor. How to apply it. Remove the bulb you want to install. Wipe the metal base clean with a paper towel. Apply a tiny dab of Vaseline to the metal base. Insert the bulb into the socket and twist firmly into place. The Vaseline seals out moisture and prevents oxidation on the contact points. Bulbs installed this way often last twice as long. Trim and bumper restoration. Black plastic trim and bumpers fade to gray from sun exposure over time. Their job is to maintain the vehicle's appearance and protect underlying body panels. When the plastic dries out, it looks chalky and old. Vaseline restores the deep black color temporarily and conditions the plastic. This trick has been used in classic car shows for decades to make older cars look brand new. How to apply it? Clean the plastic trim with soap and water. Dry thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline using a soft cloth in small circular motions. Buff off any excess after 5 minutes. The trim looks black and new again immediately. Reapply every few months or after washing the car for ongoing protection.